So I'm gonna use the paints from these sets of Arteza, and I have scarlet red, lemon yellow, orange red, ultramarine blue, and pale green. And I put a small amount of the pouring medium, and on top of that I'm gonna put the paint. I'm gonna do it this time differently. This is the scarlet red. Doesn't look too red to me. We'll see. It's the color that we need. Yeah, it's good. These sticks are so dirty that I better use a different one. Well, I wanted a darker red than this one. So I think I'm going to bring, maybe not. You see how much paint I put inside there, and I think it is good now. I'm gonna do the same for all of these. Just put a more amount of paint in there. That's it. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.